what's your purpose for traveling to China? Pleasure.
Guys, no words to describe what has happened in these 4 days here. Tequila. Tata, the best Chinese guy what we have known yet, and I think ever. We stayed here for let's say 3 days, 2 nights.
It's so hard to leave.
Yeah, we already got used to it, you know. This is our bedroom, and
It's my mango juice. And Lee, he'll tell you a secret. First night we drank Pepsi, but then today we bought new Pepsi, which is cheaper, and replaced it. And I hope they haven't seen that still.
oh yeah, so today, yesterday and the day before, we ate so much food. We tasted every taste of Chinese food here, I suppose.
We don't know, but it was a lot.
Already gained weight back, you know, it's just awful for me. And today we're going to Beijing. We'll stay to one Latvian guy, what we contacted. Twums, I guess his name. We'll see. We'll meet him. And we have a transport to Beijing, our private transport. It's just amazing. Life is so... Thank you, life. Thank you, everyone. Just... You're amazing. Life is amazing. Yeah. See you in Beijing. What? See you in
If you're claustrophobic, it's a bit difficult here.
And this is how you push out from the metro.
Hey guys, so we finally are starting our China trip.
This is our 3rd day in Beijing. And finally we figured out how you should do things in Beijing. Because first we got here and it was acclimatization, because it was 4:40 when we came to the city and found a place to stay with a Latvian guy named Twums. Yeah, and we stayed at his place and we're still staying there. Really cool guy. Thanks Twums for helping us.
So
Just let's enjoy this magnificent place here in downtown.
let's enjoy China.
Yeah, enjoy China.
Anything I do, just follow. Take everything you can find. We stay here until tomorrow. Can't let them win this time.
Guys,
Good morning.
so today is Beijing Zoo Day. We're going to meet the pandas.
Well, in distance.
Everybody looks around. Nothing much yet, but we're hoping for the best. This is the card.
My whole world has changed, baby, since you came around. So take a chance on us. Take a chance on us. Oh, my whole world is tainted by the colors of your touch. So make a change for us. Make a change for us. I said take a chance on us. Take a chance on us.
Good morning, guys.
Hello, guys. So we're on a bus on our way to one of the world wonders, to the Great Wall of China.
And this will be the Jingshanling part of the Great Wall.
We read about that it's less crowded.
You can hide there,
Yeah, so we're doing that.
and we're using public transportation to go there.
We're trying to get there by ourselves. It's a little bit difficult, but it's okay.
It's possible.
Yeah. This is what's happening today. We're in, oh yeah, and by the way, we're in China.
Yeah. So after 2 hours, we're at the point where we need to go to the ticket pole, buy the ticket, because you need to pay for everything here. And after that,
China is very expensive.
very expensive. Yesterday we already booked train tickets to the next place where we're gonna go,
And we don't want to talk about it now. We just don't want to talk about it. It's done.
it's done. That's done.
Let's not talk about it.
So yeah, Great Wall of China.
Oh, hey guys. So,
2-hour drive. Bargaining with a local with 15 yuan per person to get to the main entrance to the I can't spell it. Can you spell it?
Junction. Junction. Oh, okay. And we are on our way to the Great Wall. Yeah, and it's sunny and it's lovely weather and everything's good today.
We hope we're gonna get through 4 hours. In 4 hours, yeah, it's gonna be great if we can manage it.
Okay.
With a quick lunch break someplace.
Yes. So that's what's happening, guys.
Yeah, the hype is back because nature just helps you to survive China, and this is like a medicine to us.
This is so amazing, so great, the greatest feeling ever. Because you know why? There's not a lot of people here.
It really helps to enjoy what you pay for, you know?
Because we wanted to get where it's less crowded and we got there.
I'm very grateful that we are here.
Can you imagine? We're in China. I will not stop talking about it.
Ni hao.
I feel the touch of your hand. Love you with all of my heart. Makes me tremble within. Love the smell of your hair. I'm here in my bed. Without your love, I am out of place. And without you, I am just a trace. I wanna be with you always. Cause that is what my heart says. I wanna be with you always. Cause that is what my heart says. I wanna be with you always, always. Cause that is what my heart says. Sparkle in your, I wanna be with you always, always. Cause that is what my heart says. I'm in a better place. I know I'm in a better, I know I'm in a better, I know I'm in a
China, Great Wall. Bucket list. Put it on your bucket list, definitely.
We have checked it on ours. Oh, hey guys!
We're leaving Beijing.
This has been one stressful morning, but it's okay. We are at our train.
We'll tell you about it later.
Yeah.